Over the last year, Apple introduced 3 iPhones: the entry-level iPhone SE, the colorful iPhone 11, and the premium iPhone 11 Pro. Other than the screen size, the main difference between them is the camera. All 3 iPhones have different camera setups. The iPhone 11 Pro has 3 cameras, so it can also shoot ultra-wide and 2x zoom. The iPhone 11 lacks the 2x zoom, but still has ultra-wide. And the iPhone SE only has the standard 1x camera. So, which iPhone is right for you? I'm going to show you what you can do with each phone's camera. The iPhone SE has a 1x standard wide-angle lens that is suitable for most shooting situations, like taking a picture of your morning coffee or a picture of your pet, or the beautiful sunset. It works great for daily snapshots. In fact, as long as you are shooting in well-lit situations, your pictures will look just as good as anything taken on the iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro. If you are shooting in low light, like this dimly lit restaurant, the SE is able to take similar pictures like the iPhone 11. The iPhone SE camera has a smaller sensor and doesn't support night mode. Just look at the difference between these pictures. The iPhone SE struggles in situations like this. But if you are taking casual shots in daylight, the iPhone SE's camera works just fine. The iPhone 11 has a 1x camera like the SE, but it adds another camera, a 0.5x ultra-wide lens to capture more of a scene. Landscapes, for instance, look so much grander when you can fit more into a shot. Just look at these comparison shots between the regular 1x and the 0.5x camera. You can clearly see how much more fits into the shot with ultra-wide. You can also use it to get a really unique perspective in other situations too. I keep tapping 0.5x when taking a photo just to see if ultra-wide makes it look different. It's such a unique look. It's also great for video. You can instantly flip between 1x and 0.5x without having to stop the video. If you use a gimbal, you can get some really epic tracking shots with ultra-wide. And it's great for filming travel vlogs. The iPhone 11 also has a regular 1x camera, but it's not quite the same as the iPhone SE 1x camera. It's hard to see a difference when you compare photos in daylight. But in low light situations, the iPhone 11 takes more detailed photos with less noise. The iPhone 11 Pro has everything the iPhone 11 has, and adds another camera. There's a 2x telephoto lens here that lets you zoom in for a closer shot. Having a zoom is useful, but 2x doesn't change things too much. But the 2x camera does more than just zoom. It also helps portrait mode, which blurs the background. It works very well for portraits or pictures of food. What's more, you can also use 2x zoom to take macro shots. The trick is to go as close as you can while focusing on the subject. You also need to hold the phone steady to prevent blurry shots. The iPhone 11 Pro has exactly the same 1x and ultra-wide cameras as the iPhone 11. You won't see any difference when shooting at 1x or 0.5x. As I said before, the base 1x camera is better in low light than the iPhone SE. But you can really see a difference in video. The iPhone 11 Pro looks brighter and sharper than the iPhone SE. So, which iPhone should you choose? If you want the highest quality and most flexibility, with everything from proper portrait mode, night mode, macro shots, ultra-wide, and zoom, the iPhone 11 Pro is the phone for you. If you are not interested in all of that, but you do want night mode and ultra-wide, the iPhone 11 is the one you should pick. And if you don't care about different lenses at all, but just want to take good photos in daylight, you will be happy with the iPhone SE. I hope this video has helped you choose the right camera for you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting our Abacus videos.